I want to talk about how it actually cost out of pocket less than $2 for my husband to get a immediate telehealth urgent care call and to then the next day get a prescription. And I think that a lot of times we think these things are going to be extremely expensive if you don't have traditional health insurance. And I want to talk through how it played out. We had been camping, so we knew that he likely picked it up there and it had been engorged and attached to him for likely 6 days, which is, the amount of time that you really want to be cautious. I grew up in Maine. Tick bites are no joke. I have several friends and family members who have had deeply impacted health issues for months, years, or even their entire life because of Lyme disease. I shared a previous video about the steps we took to identify the tick and send it off for testing. But I was also like, okay, we're getting you on some preventative antibiotics just in case. But my husband, he doesn't have a primary care. This is like actually a point of contention between the two of us. It drives me crazy that he is not established with a doctor. Don't come at me. We'll figure it out one day. But because we are members of Crowd Health, I was like, wait, you get virtual telehealth support. I wonder if they have urgent care or if it's only like book an appointment out several days away. So we logged in. No, we could actually book an urgent care appointment right through the app. So the way that it works is they contract with this organization that provides access to the doctors, and we were going to pay $125 for that visit. However, we know that through Crowd Health, we can immediately upload that receipt into Crowd Health and it will be shared into by the crowd. So telehealth therapy sessions and then also telehealth like virtual visits are included in your plan. So it's going to be shared into. So yes, we put that 125 on our credit card, but it will be probably back in pocket before the end of the week. And then the doctor did want him to get on some like prophylactic antibiotics because of how long it had been on him. And we were able to get that called in to our local grocery store pharmacy. And the next day we went, we were again able to log into the Crowd Health app and use their prescription discount program card. And you know what? It cost $1.05. I feel like sometimes I build up in my mind how expensive things are going to be, but when you have access to resources like Crowd Health offers you, being a cash pay patient does not become nearly as expensive as it could. If you've been looking into Crowd Health and you have any questions about how it works in real life, how you talk about it with providers or the pharmacy, questions that you have, let me know. And also, if you're going through the process of applying, make sure to use my code Chelsea, CHELSEA, or my member invitation link. It will get you the best discount possible you can get for your first 3 months. It also gives me a nice little member referral gift, and that helps to fund me showing up here answering all these questions.